Guys, tama ah.
Hi, welcome, and we're here at the Universal Studios. We're falling in line. We're in queue to enter. The gates are all still closed, but everyone's all lined up and excited to go. Yeah, you were saying?
Was it about the ticket? Sa ano? Sa Studio Pass? 1, 3? Isa yung 3? Studio Pass? 3?
Ako yung 3, mami yata yung 3. Tingnan mo yung messenger na.
Hindi. Ano? Sa Studio Pass kasi 8 pages siya. So, dapat ang dinownload mo yung 5. 1, 3, 5, 7. Sa Studio
Wala
Pass.
kaming din-download na 5. 3 lang ang alam ko.
Sa Studio
Wala
Pass.
ako niyan. Wala kami niyan. Dali.
Hindi nyo tinawag to.
Ay, yung ano lang yan.
Nakasabi dito sa top right corner is 1.